Hi, my name is Hide Urata. I'm head of Global Kaizen. The part of my job I love the most is leading a dedicated and motivated team and constantly delivering incremental improvements to our internal customers. I chose this job because I had a strong desire to be part of a leading renewable energy company. I have the opportunity to work with talented and experienced colleagues. We are constantly improving. To me, collaborating with my colleagues is a very rewarding experience. Maintaining communications with my colleagues is an utmost importance in my daily work life. When I'm not working, I enjoy running, gardening. Gardening gives me very relaxing time. Touching nature, removing weeds, it's a fantastic experience for me. It's really important for me to have proper work-life balance so I can fresh up my mind and be ready for the next challenge.